Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just late last night, I made a video on somebody had turned their screen yellow, and they did that by double clicking on the rectangle tool and making a box, and then hitting yellow, and then actually left clicking it and locking the object. And one of my viewers mentioned on the video this morning that this, and I forget sometimes, uh, since I'm just a laser engraver, he said if you'd send this to the screen printer or a plotter or whatever, it's going to pick up this color as yellow and try to engrave it. And uh, I'm pretty sure yellow will engrave. So you don't want to do that. You could do that, but just before you print and even in an engraver, you want to unlock that and then delete that before you run it. So I find it's still safer is to hit that shadow, double click on it, go up to background, and if you want to color, then you can make it that yellow, and that will not engrave because the page is yellow and it's not an object. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.